Hello guys, so welcome to our channel. This is the underrated boy. Now we are going to convert this image into something like this. This effect is known as pixel stretch. Okay, so first of all, just open your Photoshop and create a new document of size 1000 into 1000. Then change its size to 2000 into 2000 for better quality. Now we need a subject to create this effect, so I have this image of a girl which I have already cut out using selection method, which you can learn from the previous video which is already uploaded in our channel. Furthermore, take this image directly to the document which we have created. Now place over it so it is totally big in size. So now press Ctrl plus T to open transform tool. Press Ctrl plus 0 to open the full size of it. Now hold L to manage the proportion. Now click that image and make it small. Make it fit into the document object. Make it fit into the canvas. Now it is small, so press enter. It's done. Now take it and place on the left side. Make a duplicate copy of it. The shortcut for making a duplicate of anything, any layer in Photoshop is Ctrl plus J. So press Ctrl plus J to make a duplicate of it. Now see, there is a duplicate copy which we have made. Now right click on that layer and convert it into smart object. So we are converting it into smart object so that we can modify our selection anytime. We are making non-destructive editing. Okay, so convert it into smart object. That's done. Now you can double click over there. You can see that we have our detail. We can modify that selection anytime. So now delete our layer which is not smart object. Now click on the layer which we are going to work upon, and now press Ctrl and the right arrow to make that object little lighter. Then click Ctrl plus J to make a copy of it. Now again do the same step. Hold Ctrl and Shift and right arrow to move the object 10 pixel right. Now again press Ctrl J to make a duplicate copy. So we are basically making copies of our image by shifting it a little right side. And do it as I am doing it till you get a straight line. Straight line means a straight line where we can see those pixels, like full covering of the area. So I've done something like this, so we can speed this up. So just remove one layer and select all the layers by holding Shift and Ctrl E to merge all this layer. Now this layer is being merged. Now make its copy. So now hold Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow, then Ctrl J, then again Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow, then again J. See, our layer is being made. So I think this is enough to create a straight line which contain all the data, all the pixels which we need. So after that, select all the layers by holding Shift to the first layer and the last layer. All the layers will be selected. Now hold Ctrl plus E to merge. Now all the layer is merged. Okay, now open the selection option. Over there, select single column marquee tool. It will select a single line of our image. Now select that from the image which we have created and press Ctrl plus J to make a copy of that in a single line. Now just disable the other layer and take that single column which we have duplicated. Now press Ctrl plus T to open the transform tool. Now hold Shift and stretch it like this. After you click on that tick option, it will be done. And pixel stretch is made. Enable that layer, the image, place it accordingly. See, as it is done. Now we need to make this stretch like something like foldable. So to do that, we need to again open the transform tool. Okay, and make it a little larger by holding shift you need to do that. Okay, furthermore we need to fold this. For that we first of all need to convert a layer into smart object, so that whatever effect we apply we can modify that anytime. Now convert it into a smart object. Now hold it, now click on it and again click. Disable all the layers and select only that layer. Now click Ctrl plus T to open transform tool. Okay. Now on our stretch selection, right click, you will get the option of warp. Select warp. Now hold the handles at the edges and fold it like this, like I am doing it. Take your time. The better you manage to do this, the better it will look. It also took so much time to me. Okay, so take your time, fold it like this. Effect will be seen after you save your selection, save your edits. Okay, so don't panic. Do it according to you. Think creative, apply whatever you can. Okay, after doing that you can save and see what's your result. If you are not satisfied with that, first of all we need a better space, so we should crop this image to see what is going on. So we need to crop. Press C and then it will open the crop tool. Now crop using your mouse. Now press enter. Okay, crop has been done. Now select that selection tool using V. Okay, now select both the layers, our stretch layer and the image, the subject, and now press Ctrl T for both this. Take it to little upper side. Okay, now select only our stretch layer. Again click Ctrl plus T to open transform option. Now again right click over there and you can see warp. Again click on it. You can see what you have already done is been saved. We are not editing from the starting. What we have created previously, our edits has been saved in the warp. So that is why we have made smart object to save our edits, and we can modify those anytime. Furthermore, take your time and warp it to a particular angle so it look good. Take your time, there's no need to hurry. This is the most important part. Okay, take your time. You can crop your image as it best suits you. Okay, take your time. So if I am not satisfied with that, so I'll again open the transform tool. First of all, I'll select both the layer and turn it a little by again opening transform tool. Okay, I think this is fine, so let's do this. Okay, this is done. Now select that stretch layer only. Now we should apply some background to it. So I'm going for a solid color. For example, for temporarily we can apply like we can apply this purple kind of color. Okay, for now we should apply this lighter purple. Okay, done. We'll later change this one, don't worry. Now only select that stretch layer. Again open transform tool by pressing Ctrl plus T. Again go to warp. Now make it little more interesting like this, like I am doing. You should know in what fold we should make it look real. So take your time, there's no need to panic. Okay, like this I am doing it. You should take your time. You should press those handles and you should align those stretches from the object, like the girl. It should be in the aligned manner. Okay, I think this is good. Press both the layer. Again open transform tool by pressing Ctrl plus T. Rotate a little. This is good. Now save it. I think we're done. Now we should change our background. I have changed my background color by changing the solid color into this orange, light orange color. We should write some text to make it more interesting. So open text tool by pressing T. And I am writing jump, fly and achieve. You can write whatever you want. You can use other character property tool to make it bigger. Change its color to white so it should match our background. Place it in the center. Okay, and that's it. We are done, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like it, do share it to your friends so that they can learn. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be there with a new video next time. Bye bye.